Hi everyone, I'm Alex, Growth Marketing Manager at Playfood, and I'm happy to welcome you to the Release 62 walkthrough. This month, we focused heavily on the customer side of your platform, the checkout experience, receipt clarity, and navigation, while also shipping some important improvements under the hood for super app partners and in the vendor panel. There's a lot to get through, so let's dive in. The biggest customer-facing update in this release. The checkout page has been significantly redesigned with a major focus on how personal promo codes work. Let me show you what your customers will now see. Here's the updated checkout page. You can immediately notice it's structured into clear blocks. The order total is bold and prominent, and there is dedicated scrollable panel right here showing all available personal promo codes. Each card shows the code's value and a brief description with a one-tap apply button. And customers no longer need to remember a promo code or copy it carefully from somewhere else. All their available personal codes are already right here as prompts, ready to apply in one tap. Watch what happens when I apply one. The card turns green immediately, confirming the discount, and the savings appear right here in the receipt. Clean, instant, satisfying. Now, what if the code can't be applied yet because a condition hasn't been met? The customer gets a pop-up banner explaining exactly why and what they need to do. No confusion, no dead end. And for general promo codes available to all customers, those don't appear in the personal list. But if the customer scrolls to the end, they'll find a button to enter a code manually. Same result. Enter the code, it applies, turns green, discount confirmed. If you want to learn more about assigning personal promo codes in bulk, check the link to our previous release in the description below. While we are on the checkout, it's worth zooming out and appreciating the broader affairs this page has received. Beyond the promo codes, the checkout is now divided into clearly defined blocks. The order total is bold and easy to find, and the overall layout feels more modern and organized. It reduces friction at the most critical moment of the customer journey, the moment they decide to complete their order. And I want to be clear, this isn't the final version. We have significant UI/UX improvements planned ahead, but this is the first step in that direction. More to come. A focused but important fix for our partners in MENA region. We've reviewed and corrected the Arabic translation of the customer receipt. It now displays accurately across all order types, item combinations, and number formats. For your customers in Arabic-speaking markets, this means a receipt that reads correctly every time. A small detail that makes a real difference to the local experience. An important update for our super app partners running both Onde and Playfood. We've strengthened the integration layer between the two platforms to significantly reduce the risk of issues on one side affecting the other. As with any technical system, edge cases can still occur, but when they do, our team is always on hand to investigate and resolve them quickly. This update makes that far less likely to happen in the first place. Next, a useful update for vendor admins in the vendor panel. Dish components are now displayed as an ordered list, and vendor admins can set the sequence in which they appear to customers. The most popular, most frequently added, or highest value components can be placed at the top, increasing their visibility and the likelihood that customers add them to their order. Here, I'll reorder these components, and here is how it looks on the customer side. The first components in the list are immediately visible without scrolling, which naturally draws attention to them. It's a small configuration change, but the commercial logic is clear. The right component in the right position means a higher average order value over time. Quick one. The Orders History button is now called My Orders. It's a small rename, but it's more intuitive, more familiar, and better aligned with the global app standards. Customers find what they are looking for faster without thinking about it. Sometimes the smaller changes are the most user-friendly. A fix that brings accuracy to every automated notification on your platform. System notifications now correctly reflect vendor type. Previously, all notifications referred to vendors as restaurants, regardless of what type of business they actually were. For partners running grocery stores or shops, that created an inconsistency that didn't go unnoticed. Notifications now read either restaurant or store, depending on the vendor. The right label every time. And finally, we are welcoming a new language to the platform. Kurdish is now available as a full localization in Playfood. With this addition, Playfood now supports 14 languages, making it one of the most linguistically accessible food delivery platforms for emerging markets. For partners operating in Kurdish-speaking regions, customers can now use the full platform in their native language, from browsing the catalog to completing checkout. The full list of supported languages is linked in the description below. That is Release 62, a release that puts the customer experience front and center while strengthening the foundations underneath. If you're a current partner and want to walk through any of these updates or need help getting things configured, reach out to your key success manager. We are always here. And if you're exploring Playfood for a new project, get in touch with our Key Partners Manager. Details are in the description. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.